Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my eyedropper tool. I want to grab that same brown again, and I'm going to make my mast to my little ship. I'm just tracing around it, and then I'm going to close it off. All right, and then the next thing is I'm going to go ahead and get the little boom on the boat, and then I'm going to do the other side as well. Add a little boom there. All right, so I have that, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and right click, double left click, and then I'm going to make a little flag at the top. Okay, now if you notice that my cursor just looks like an X, if I want to, I can hit the cap locks, and then it changes to the little icon of whatever tool I'm using. And then if I wanted to, I could go ahead and add, like I could add these little lines right here, and I could make that. I could use my swatches actually. I'm just going to go ahead, make my fill none. So if I do the red with the red line on it, it changes it to none, as you can see on the little flag. I got to click off of it. Just left click, none, and then my stroke color, I'm just going to make that black. And then I'm just going to use the line tool, line segment tool, left click, hold, and drag, so that I can adjust the placement of that. So I could go ahead and add my next little line segment. And I hit the V key to go to my direct selection tool, click off of it, and then I can use my line segment tool again and maybe add one more. Oop, cancel that. I don't want to do that. I want to left click and just drag and get that line segment where I want it to be. Now, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and change in length and then I hit OK and then it'll show up, but I'd rather draw it, and then I'm just going to hit delete. Okay. All right. So I've got those little details added to my boat.